Addressing at the 5th BIMSTEC Summit on Wednesday, PM Narendra Modi stated that the region is facing health and economic security concerns, which needs unity and cooperation. Signing the group charter, PM Modi said India would provide $1 million to the BIMSTEC secretariat to increase its operational budget. It is important to strengthen the capacity of the secretariat. I suggest the Secretary General create a roadmap for the same, he said. The Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral, Technical and Economic Cooperation is a regional organization comprising India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Nepal and Bhutan. With our region facing challenges of health and economic security, the need of the hour is unity and cooperation, PM Modi said in a virtual address. He added that the developments in Europe over the last few weeks have raised a question mark on the stability of international order. Another major outcome of the BIMSTEC Summit was the adoption of the Master Plan for Transport Communication. The 5th BIMSTEC Summit was hosted by Sri Lanka, which is the 7-country grouping's current chair.